Hi, welcome to lesson number 5. Course title is Entrepreneurship Reframed. I am Jolly, your host. In this lesson, we will discuss how to set up your mission and vision statement. Why so early? Well, let me tell you, you need to sell a story to your followers, just like any of the faith leaders like Jesus Christ, Muhammad, Gautam Buddha, or anybody else who talked about taking the people in the right path. You as a leader must have a very clear cut vision of the future. Meaning, what is it that you want to do? You might say you want to become the leading battery manufacturer of the world. Okay, as a vision, it could be great. Along with that vision, you must also set a mission statement that as a battery manufacturer of the world, what would be the key 5 areas that you will work on? Will it be technology or will it be market where you want to create a different set of market for your batteries or you want to create a disruption in the market? What is that top 5 things that you will do in the marketplace for the next 10 odd years so that you are able to proceed on your vision? The vision is that you want to become a great XYZ or whatever it is, or you want to be a convenience uh, outlet for your customers, where customers could come in and solve all their problems or anything that they would like to solve. Uh, are you offering that? So depending on your vision, hmm, you first is you define your vision. You define it very clearly. Please write it down. Write it down multiple times till you and your heart and your mind is in sync, because this will determine what type of people you will attract in your system. Who are your followers will be determined by what is your vision and what is your mission. Are you going to be the best HR company in the country, in the world, or are you going to do a complete IT based working environment where everything is automated? Whatever way you think is the way you want to grow or you want to go forward is you need to decide. Once you have decided the vision of your company, once you have come to the mission of the company, then it is time for you to set your objectives. Now, your objectives will be defined from your mission and vision. Your objective initially, pre-launch, your objective at launch, your objective post-launch, and your objective from post-launch to the marketing, going forward to market. What would be your objective? By objective, I mean to say, will you be a cost-efficient product supplier, or you would be a cost-efficient marketing supplier, or services will enable others to save cost? Why this is important is because this will define your strategies. So, mission and vision statement brings you to your objectives, that today I will be this, tomorrow I will be so on, and day after tomorrow I'll become a large organization. The type of leadership you want to use, the type of management you want to use. Please understand leadership and management is different. Leadership talks about a leader and his followers. Leadership guides people. Leadership need not be a one person. A leadership could be a team of two, three extremely qualified guys who are willing to put their heart and soul in the marketplace to achieve your mission and vision. So a leadership could be anything. A management is different. A management will tell the people in the organization how to manage the resources that is available to them, the discipline they must follow, the targets they must chase, and the results that they must produce. That's management job. The two are very different. A leader's job is very different. A leader creates a team, he builds the team, he enthuses the team in the sense that he motivates them, keeps them on their toes, and enables them to deliver results. What will be those results? How that person will achieve it will be all management job. Uh, Please don't confuse between a leader and a manager. You, as a one man entrepreneur now, is the leader, and you will continue to be the leader because you are setting the vision and the mission of the organization or the business that you want to set up. And from this objectives will come the strategy. Now, what is the strategy you want to develop? Maybe this strategy will change over time, but you need to have a starting point somewhere. Why I'm saying this at the outset is when you talk to your prospective leadership team, because that is what I recommend you to do the first thing. When you talk to a prospective leadership team and you want to attract them as a peer to peer or as a follower, because a follower is also a leader in some way. So when you talk to another leader and you want to attract him, you must present to him a very, very clear cut, thought out process that you have spent in building. This will build in confidence of the guy. This will build in a buy in for that person who himself is a leader because you're talking about a leadership team. Since hence you will be going to a person who is well entrenched in his job, in his key areas of performance, a guy who is the best as per you in his area of work. So I recommend the first thing you do is to define your goals by mission and vision. Break down those goals into smaller tasks which is achievable and break it into the periods of when you will achieve what. And based on those smaller tasks, you define the steps that you will take. That is the strategy. The steps that you will take to realize these goals are important, and that is how you chart out for the first time in building the unicorn that you have thought about. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you in the next lesson.